Lesson: AI Ethics and Governance. The intersection of artificial intelligence ethics and governance forms an essential pillar within the broader context of AI theoretical foundations for enhanced cybersecurity. Both ethical considerations and governance frameworks are critical in ensuring that AI technologies are developed and deployed responsibly, particularly in the field of cybersecurity, where the stakes are extraordinarily high. AI systems have the potential to revolutionize cybersecurity by detecting threats more accurately, automating responses, and predicting potential vulnerabilities. However, these capabilities come with significant ethical and governance challenges that must be addressed to prevent misuse, bias, and unintended harmful consequences. AI ethics concerns the moral principles guiding the development and application of AI technologies. One of the primary ethical concerns is the potential for bias in AI algorithms. Bias can arise from the datasets used to train AI systems, which may reflect existing societal prejudices. For instance, a study by Bolamwini and Gebru found that facial recognition systems had significantly higher error rates for darker-skinned individuals compared to lighter-skinned individuals, highlighting the risk of discriminatory outcomes in AI applications. Such biases can lead to unequal treatment and reinforce systemic inequalities, making it crucial to ensure that AI systems are fair and unbiased. Another significant ethical issue is the transparency and explainability of AI systems. In cybersecurity, AI models often operate as black boxes, making it difficult to understand how they arrive at certain decisions. This lack of transparency can be problematic, as it reduces the accountability of AI systems and makes it challenging to identify and rectify errors. Researchers like Doshi Velez and Kim have emphasized the importance of developing methods for explainable AI, which can provide insights into the decision-making processes of AI models and enhance trust in their outputs. Privacy is also a critical ethical consideration in AI and cybersecurity. AI systems often require vast amounts of data to function effectively, raising concerns about data privacy and security. The collection and use of personal data must comply with privacy regulations such as the General Data Protection Regulation in the European Union, which mandates stringent data protection measures. Failure to adhere to these regulations can result in significant legal and financial repercussions, as well as damage to an organization's reputation. Ensuring that AI systems respect user privacy and protect sensitive information is essential for maintaining public trust and safeguarding individual rights. In parallel with ethical considerations, governance frameworks are necessary to regulate the development and deployment of AI technologies. Effective AI governance involves establishing policies, standards, and regulations that promote the ethical use of AI while mitigating risks. One approach to AI governance is the implementation of ethical guidelines and principles by organizations and governments. For example, the European Commission's high-level expert group on artificial intelligence has developed guidelines for trustworthy AI, which emphasize principles such as fairness, accountability, and transparency. Additionally, regulatory bodies play a crucial role in overseeing AI technologies and ensuring compliance with ethical standards. In the United States, the National Institute of Standards and Technology has been actively involved in developing standards for AI, including guidelines for AI risk management and security. These standards provide a framework for organizations to assess and mitigate the risks associated with AI systems, thereby enhancing their security and reliability. Moreover, international cooperation is vital for establishing consistent AI governance frameworks across different jurisdictions. AI technologies are inherently global, and inconsistencies in regulations can create challenges for cross-border collaborations and the development of AI-driven solutions. Organizations such as the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development have been working to promote international cooperation on AI governance by developing global principles for responsible AI. These principles aim to harmonize AI policies and facilitate the sharing of best practices among countries. In the context of cybersecurity, AI governance must address specific challenges related to the use of AI in detecting and responding to cyber threats. Cybersecurity threats are constantly evolving, making it essential for AI systems to adapt and respond in real time. However, the deployment of AI in cybersecurity also raises concerns about the potential for adversarial attacks, where malicious actors attempt to deceive AI systems into making incorrect decisions. Research by Goodfellow, Schlenz, and Seghetti has demonstrated that AI models can be vulnerable to such attacks, underscoring the need for robust defense mechanisms and continuous monitoring to ensure the integrity of AI-driven cybersecurity solutions. Furthermore, the ethical and governance considerations for AI in cybersecurity extend to the potential impact on the workforce. The automation of cybersecurity tasks through AI can lead to significant changes in the job market, with some roles becoming obsolete while new opportunities emerge. It is essential to address the potential displacement of workers and ensure that they have access to reskilling and upskilling programs to adapt to the evolving landscape. Organizations must also consider the ethical implications of workforce changes and strive to create an inclusive environment that supports employees through transitions. In conclusion, the integration of AI ethics and governance into the theoretical foundations of AI for enhanced cybersecurity is paramount. Ethical considerations such as bias, transparency, and privacy must be addressed to ensure that AI systems are fair, accountable, and respectful of individual rights. At the same time, robust governance frameworks are necessary to regulate AI technologies, mitigate risks, and promote the responsible use of AI. By prioritizing ethics and governance, we can harness the full potential of AI in cybersecurity while safeguarding against its potential pitfalls.